The brief facts of the present case are that decree holder plaintiff filed civil suit for declaration and permanent injunction regarding land measuring 12 canals, 14 marlas situated in village Bhago Buddha, Tehsil Sultanpur Lodi, District Kapurthala, and suit was decreed in favor of the decree holder plaintiff on 4 October 1999. Stop. The judgment debtors were directed not to interfere in the possession of the plaintiff over the suit land. Stop. The plaintiff decree holder moved an application under Order 21, Rule 32 CPC, saying that judgment debtors were having full knowledge of judgment and decree dated 4 October 1999. Stop. In violation of the judgment and decree, they intentionally put the remains of wheat crop on fire and left water in the land, thereby interfered in the possession of the plaintiff stock. Both the courts below having found judgment debtor petitioner herein guilty of putting wheat remains on fire and leaving water in the land in dispute, directed the civil imprisonment of the petitioner judgment debtor stock. Learned counsel for the petitioner judgment debtor vehemently argued that it is not proved on record that Mohinder Singh petitioner ever put remains of wheat crop on fire or ever entered into the property in dispute in violation of the decree stock. He further stated that plaintiff decree holder is in peaceful possession and is cultivating the land without any interference from the side of the petitioner stock. He undertakes that in future also judgment debtor petitioner shall not interfere in the possession of the plaintiff decree holder and shall abide by the decree dated 1999. Stop. Learned counsel for the decree holder respondent states that both the courts below have correctly found that petitioner had violated the decree by putting remains of wheat crop on fire and by entering into the land in violation of decree stop. Learned counsel for the decree holder respondent further states that once it is proved on record that judgment debtor in violation of the decree entered into the land in dispute, hence both the courts below rightly penalized the petitioner stop. Learned counsel for the decree holder respondent further states that even though now decree holder is in peaceful possession, however, one interruption in the possession in violation of the decree is sufficient to penalize the violator. Judgment debtor stop. The sole question involved before this court is as to whether provision of Order 21, Rule 32, read with Section 51 CPC are penal in nature or they are meant only for enforcement execution of judgment and decree stop.